Let's look at how to manage your SmartDraw documents. Your files are automatically saved the minute you start drawing in SmartDraw. A document is given a default name automatically, but you can click Save As in this File tab to save it under a new name. The default location for saving documents is your SmartDraw account, but you can also save to our supported third-party storage solutions. When you open SmartDraw next, you'll see all of your most recent documents listed. Click on SmartDraw here on the left to see all of your files as well as files shared with you. If you've created folders, you will see those here. Shared folders on your license will be blue with a team avatar. Here on the left, you can add third-party services, and you can import SmartDraw files, Visio files, and Lucidchart files. These helpful features will make it so easy to organize your diagrams.